Hi there, Kira here, and I've got a unboxing video for you guys. So I was asked by Document Life Stories, which is a kit club that is overseas, but they asked me to be their guest designer for the month of February. So of course I said yes, and I'm really excited to show you the kit that I'll be working with this month. So I'm going to start with the papers and then work my way through the kit. So this is the first one. This is my favorite paper out of the whole kit. I'm obsessed with this because first off, it's a grid pattern, which you guys all know I love, but it's like got this pink and yellow kind of ombre thing going on. It is so pretty. The reverse side has like these little squiggly lines, but I'm going to be using that side. That's gorgeous. Okay, the next paper, it's got kind of this blue with white spots and kind of an orangey goldish color on the back with some lines. A leaf pattern here, the third paper, and then a blue chevron on the back. This one has like almost like little paint swipes. It's like gold and pink, some different patterns. And the reverse side I am in love with. I think that's really cute. Number 5, super pretty. I love this paper too, which is just a simple grid pattern, but I love a grid pattern paper. But then this side is really pretty too because it's this really gorgeous ombre. So I'm a little torn which side I like better here. A polka dot and then kind of a scripty ombre on the back. This one with the pink. I love the pink with the polka dots. Another blue. And I love this kind of ombre effect here as well. And then this last one is a cut apart. And then the back is like that. So again, I'm not sure if I'm going to use it as a cut apart or this side because that's really pretty. We'll see. Okay, so those are the papers included in the kit. So lay those out right here. We'll go through the embellishments. So you got this pink puffy alpha, which is like a typewriter font, which is super cute. And I love the size of it. The size is perfect. Chipboard phrase stickers, which are also super cute. They've got come in kind of a coral color, a yellow, a light pink, a kind of darker pinkish red, and a gray. And they've got phrases like "You go, girl," "Create your own sunshine," "You make my heart smile," "Find joy in the ordinary," "Shine bright, seize the day," "Rise and shine." So lots of very versatile phrases there. Then you also get these circle puffy stickers, which are super cute. I love kind of these color blocked ones. They've got like one color on one side and the grid on the other. Those are super cute. And then these little florals are really pretty too. So those will be fun to use. Get one acrylic word, and this says lovely. These die cut labels and phrases came in it. So I'll just kind of spread these out really quick. You get a ton of these. I haven't decided if I'm going to be doing some layouts or if I'm going to be making a mini album for my husband because it is Valentine's Day coming up. So could do a mini album for him for Valentine's Day, but we will see what I end up coming up with. And then you also get a ton of these cute little wood veneer phrases. It says happy, details, good morning, love always, making memories, family, date night, dream on, home, you and me, a new day, capture life, morning vibes, XOXO, and then a few little hearts. Okay, so that is all the scrapbooking kit. That's what's included in the scrapbooking kit. But then I also had the option to do a couple add-ons. So I got the 6x8 paper add-on, just so I would have some coordinating papers to go with this collection. So I have those to work with, and then I also got the stamp add-on, which I thought was really cute. I really liked the ink splatters, and this little, you know, think happy, be happy, love always, favorite, and then some little journaling spots here. I just think it's really cute, so I decided to get that as well. So this is what I'll be working with this month, and I will link everything down below so you guys can check out Document Life Stories, and I will see you soon with some process videos. You guys have a good day. Bye.